Hi, my name is Asa Washbrook. I'm a TD1 snowboard instructor and welcome to How to Snowboard for Beginners. In this video, we're going to start covering side slipping on both our heel and toe edge, as well as starting to do our first J-turns. So today we're going to talk about side slipping on our heel edge. We're going to make one small change to our base position, which is raising our toes, putting all our weight and pressure on our heels to start sliding. As mentioned before, from our base position on heel edge, we are going to keep pressure on our heels and our toes up to achieve a consistent slide. If we ever want to stop or break, we just raise our toes even further. And also, this is how we break on our heels. We've also got our eyesight in movement of the motion, and to break, we keep our toes facing up and our hands facing forward. Let's talk about a heel side J-turn. It consists of starting on our heels, pointing downhill and returning to our heel side. Pointing downhill and putting the board straight and flat and returning to that heel edge position. So this is a J-turn heel side. If you look up to it, you actually leave a pencil thin line in the form of a J. So side slipping on our toe edge, it is exactly the same as side slipping on our heels, but this time we are going to increase the pressure on our toes and we're going to raise our heels. In order to stop, we increase our pressure on our toes and we raise our heels. In this video, we've learned how to side slip on both our heel and toe side, as well as braking and performing J-turns. In the next video, we're going to teach you how to turn.